In this video, I'll share with you my experience installing rock solid floor coating. I'll also share with you things I wish I knew before even starting this project. If you haven't seen my installation video, I'll link it in the description and at the end of the video. Just like any job, proper preparation is critical to achieve the best results. Any imperfections in the preparation will show up in the final finish. I'm not a professional installer. I'm a DIY guy sharing my experience with you so you can end up with something that you're proud of. Any discoloration in the concrete will show up in the final finish. Plan on using extra chips in that area or grind it down like I did to the bare concrete. Moisture in your concrete, that's your biggest enemy. This will cause the product not to stick. Also, it'll cause bubbles during the drying process. So make sure your concrete is completely dry. Even though it looks dry on that top layer, underneath it may not be dry, especially if you use the pressure washer to clean it. Now for the rock solid installation. Buy twice as much as you think you need. Every concrete is different and some concrete is just going to soak up that product. And you can always return the unopened kit to the store. Try to do this project when the weather is warm and dry. What we're trying to prevent here is uneven color, uneven thickness, and air bubbles in the drying process. Mix the product gently. Don't go crazy shaking the package. Pour it on the ground slowly and close to the floor. This will prevent air pockets which cause air bubbles. Get the product on the floor as soon as possible. When you first open the bag, it's thin and easy to spread. 20 minutes later, it's thicker and hard to spread. This could cause a slightly different look when it dries. Don't try to fill the cracks when you're installing the product. It's too late. You should have done this during the preparation. Remember where your imperfections are. This way you can always buy extra chips and throw them down in that area. Which leads me to my next point. Buy extra chips. You can always return whatever you don't use as long as you don't open the package. Make sure you have a dedicated chip thrower that understands the look you want to achieve. Here's my washer and dryer area. I really like this look. Make sure to finish an area before you throw the chips down. You have plenty of time to add chips. The product does stay tacky for hours. I rolled over quite a few chips, causing a rough surface. Use a new roller every time a new bag is opened. The product on the roller gets hard and dirty and will not roll consistent. During the drying process, air bubbles can pop up in the rock solid. This can be reduced with proper preparation, but chances are you will have some. I did. Have a long pole or a sprinkler pipe handy. This way you can pop them air bubbles when they appear. Have at least 2 people helping. 3 is better. 1 person rolling, 1 dedicated chip thrower that understands the look you want to achieve, and 1 helping with the corners and pouring. We're at the end of the video. If you learned something, give me a like. Also, don't forget to watch my installation video if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.